Hey guys, welcome to Calpiz software. Someone sent me a Facebook Messenger message, and he was saying that there is this group called hackers. They are hacking your account, and they use your account to send a pornography video to your friends. So I decided to make a video about this for you guys who have a Facebook account, on how you can protect your Facebook account and be able to avoid unauthorized access to your account. So what you're gonna do is as follows. You're gonna open your gonna show you how to try to avoid unauthorized access to your account. For example, someone has your username and password, and then maybe he'll try to use another phone to log into your account and do whatever you want. This here will help you to protect your account. So what you're gonna do, guys, go to setting. And then you go to setting and say privacy, and then setting. And then, guys, this option is really good because you can avoid anyone who want to go to your account, and then you can probably protect your account. So come to a security section, and then click on security and login. This one is for me. I found this one the best option, and this one is really good. I think it's available on Instagram as well. WhatsApp, yes, in WhatsApp there is a step 2 verification code. You can go there and see there. So guys, here scroll down and go to two-factor authentication. Guys, two-factor authentication is very nice. This option it helps you. For example, if you activate this option, you register with your mobile phone number, and then once you want to log into your account, it will send you a code to your mobile phone number, and you will use that code to access your account. So see how it works. So press here on two-factor authentication, and then you need to activate. Sorry, because I already activated, guys. You can activate. You can see here there are two options. You can try. The first option is for you to if you want, for example, they have analyzed here, for example, the Google Authenticator audio. They help you to generate audio generator. They help you to generate the codes, so you can use them to log in with your account. And the second option is for you. You can select to receive a text message, a code to your text message, wherever you want to log into your account. So this one is very good, and that's the one that I activated. As you can see, guys, here I can try to turn off and show you how these things work. Okay, let me turn it off. I can show you guys how this works. Very easy. I can put my password here. I want to deactivate it, and then I will activate it, so I can show you guys how this one works. Okay, I can show you guys how this works. So I did deactivate this two-factor authentication. Okay, so I'm gonna click again two-factor authentication, and then I want to show you guys how you can do to activate this option. What you're gonna do, guys, you can see the first option says authentication app. use an app like Google Authenticator or your mobile to generate verification code for more protection. So you can just use this generate this application like Google Authenticator and your more, so they can generate your verification codes for your more protection. But what I want you to use this one is it works in our environment, because guys, this by selecting this one help you to protect your account, because it is like when someone want to log into someone can have your username and password. So when he want to log into your account, it needs to send a code to your mobile number. So in the matter of fact, he might have not have your number. So what you're gonna do, it's very difficult for him or her to access your account, because he doesn't have an access with your mobile number. So he can have that code to put to this app, so he can have access to your account. So it's very difficult for him or her to log into your account because of this option. So I recommend, guys, you can try to use this text message, and it depends on your environment, but this one it works very good for us, and I think this is the best, because I've been using this one option and it's very good. Someone can't log into my account because he need to put those codes that are being sent to your mobile number. So it's very difficult, because that someone has not access to my mobile number. So it's very difficult for him or her to access my account, because he or her need to put this code, which is sent through text message to my mobile phone. So once you select this one, press continue, and then you can select which number you want to, or you can add another number which you would like to receive the code. So I'm gonna stay with this the same number, and then I need to verify here. So the 6-digit code has been sent to my mobile number, so I'll wait until I put this code in here, and then I'll be already activate this two-factor authentication. So I'm waiting for my message. Okay, my message has arrived. My 6 digit is 182631. 182631. So I'm gonna activate that one. So as you can see, guys, this option has been successfully activated, so no one will log in to my account without my authorization, because I have activated this two-factor authentication, guys, as you can see, and I selected a text message. So there is an option here, get text notification about new message post in the morning. Of course, not yet for now, but I'll try to select it later. This one is very good, it works good. So guys, I want to show you another option that will be good and it can be work for you guys, is to go down there. As you guys can see here, the last this section is called get help. So you can use this one if you think your account was hacked. If you have not the unusual activity on your account, tell us what's happening so we can help you. This, guys, is you can report to a Facebook help center, and then they can help you to recover your account. Wherever you see there is an activity to your account, you need to report. You can report through this option, and then they can recover your account. So once you click here, you can note there is some 4 questions you need to answer, depend on your problem to your account. So for example, if your problem is related to the first problem, like I found a post message, or even that I didn't create, you can select here. The second one says someone else got into my account without my permission. You can select here if your problem related to this. And then third one, I found an account which uses my name or photos. Okay, if your problem related to this, you can select this one. And the last one, people can see things that I thought were private. If you have listed things that you set as a private, and then you find out people they can see that, you can select this option and you can continue, and then they're gonna help you with this problem. The last one is like if your problem doesn't relate either of these four options, you can select it. So guys, this is the best the two option you can do to protect your account and recover your account from hackers. So I think guys, you understand, and then you can try to do these two options. Hope they will help you and protect your account.